Good morning, OpenTech team. Thanks for joining us on another time management training. This time we're going to work in Outlook, and I'm going to show you some of the ways to quickly have emails routed to specific folders and possibly create an intelligent foldering system. But we'll make it pretty quick. Our primary focus is quick steps, is what they call them. But you can see I'm in my Outlook currently. On the left-hand side, like many of you do, I have some separate folders that I have added. The one that I focus on most is I create a folder called Internal Rules, and this is where all the OpenText stuff either auto routes or I have these folders. So they're in one place instead of having 150 folders at the root, as they call it. I create an internal rules or an OpenTech folder, and then I would put everything underneath that. So you can see here I've got a whole bunch of different things, from automated reports to different tickets that come into the system, etc. But where we're going to focus today, and the example is the order agreements folder. So I have a completed order agreement folder, and then I have one for direct orders, partner orders, for end user agreements to add hardware termination. I really like to do analysis on, how much of the stuff's coming in, and at the end of the month, do we have the right number of actual orders signed against what's in the system, etc. Okay. So traditionally, many of you probably just right-click on the email itself. You go to Move, and then you select one of the recent folders that show up here. And then if that recent folder isn't there, you can click Other Folders, and then you can kind of drill down. Takes a little bit of time. Now, if you don't do it too often, the recent folders might be the same all the time. In my case, I use the folders a lot, so therefore they fall off and I have to go to the other folder a lot. So there is a quick way to do it, and it's called Quick Steps up here in the top middle. So you can see here I have an addendum from Charlie in this particular case. I have a add hardware, and I have a name address change. I have a Smart Eye incident. I have integration agreements. I have new orders, direct orders. So I have these quick moves or quick steps already created in the system. And I don't have one for addendums or amendments. So I am going to create a quick step here, and it's just called Move to Folder. Okay? And I'm going to choose the folder that I want to go to, and it's Amendments. And it's actually going to name this quick step Amendments. Got a couple options. I can move it to the folder, and I can mark it as red if I do so. Okay? And I will finish that. So now you can see up here in Quick Steps, Amendments has been added to my Quick Step. So all I have to do is click the email, click the Quick Step, and it automatically moves over. So if I go to Amendments over here on the left-hand side, the folders, then I should have Charlie's amendment in there. So it's really nice. It allows me to quickly take a look if I want to. I can open them if I want to, but in this particular case, again, this is Gary Carland. This is a new order for a partner, so it's a new partner order agreement. I just click there. Sherry's got a few orders. I can highlight multiples, and these are all new orders, new direct orders, so I just click that button. Looks like Anna did some orders, and this is a new order, not an ad, and this is a new order. Very nice. So I can highlight all of those, and those are new partner orders. So you can see how much faster and easier it makes it rather than doing the move every time. One quick hitter, and it's in that particular folder. You will have to create your own folders, so I recommend that you do it intelligently on the left-hand side, so you're not creating redundant and duplicate folders. But thank you very much for taking a little bit of time. Hopefully this tip was helpful for you today.